course, the weather is never accommodating out here. There's my door. This is my frame, courtesy of Mr. Muniz. Appreciated. Much respect. I'm going to take this wall back down, and I'll have to grind and cut down this metal hook thing. Went through a lot of grinding wheels yesterday, but we're getting closer. Okay, I just moved the door out. I'm going to have to cut this, and this I got to trim this thing, knock this out so I can, and then smooth it out so I can get my my door in there. Just got to square it up a little bit, getting there. So here's the final product. We're going to mention a few words about homesteading in general. So we got this. We got to do all the patching, and well, alhamdulillah, I'm very pleased that I was able to accomplish this with the assistance of a couple. So first and foremost, I just want to mention that homesteading is not easy. So this is a shipping container, my office install. But homesteading is, especially if you financially aren't prepared, then no doubt it's a struggle. It's a worthy struggle. It's not for everyone. Always there needs to be repairs. Always there needs to be work daily. In addition, of course, earning your livelihood and what other activities that you do. So, alhamdulillah, this is, I won't say a lifelong dream of completing my mektaba, but this was very important because now I have natural light from my office, from my desk here, walhamdulillah, and that's a ni'mah min ni'amillah. So until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.